Okay, we're back on cause number 2022-25187 in the interest of Abigail Wanlu. For the court is the father, Mr. Zogbe Wanlu, and Assistant Attorney General, Ms. Sharma. We recessed for a minute. We're back on. Ms. Sharma,
Yes,
are there
Judge.
any stipulations?
Yes, stipulations are that Mr. Wanlu agrees to pay $578 in ongoing child support to begin September 1. And Mr. Wanlu agrees that he will maintain the health insurance for the child through his employer at a cost to him at $400 a month. And there are no other children that Mr. Wanlu is getting credit for. And that's the conclusion of our stipulations, Your Honor. Or
Okay,
I'm sorry, joint managing conservators with standard visits, Judge. I'm sorry, I forgot that part.
All right. So far, is this your agreement, Mr. Wanlu?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So what are the issues, Ms. Sharma?
Yes, Your Honor. The issue is revolving around retroactive child support. The parties are married, and because this is a U.S. file, all we have is the obligee's petition that's requesting retroactive child support from March 23rd of 2021 from the date of separation. Mr. Wanlu's argument is that the parties did not separate until August of 2021. So the issue now is the date of separation for calculating retroactive child support.
All right. The mother says they separated March of 2021.
Yes, Judge. March 23rd of 2021.
Okay. And father says, or Mr. Wanlu says they separated in August of 2021. Is that correct?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. Go ahead.
Yes, Judge. I would like to call the father, Mr. Wanlu.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Wanlu, the other party stating that you all separated March 23rd of 2021. What happened in March?
Oh, in March, she left from here at my approval. I knew even prior to her leaving in January, she told me, and in fact, she wanted me to come along, and I told her I couldn't leave my job and go on vacation because my vacation time, I had it like in the third quarter of the year. So
yes, sir.
So
to be clear,
yes.
in March, she left for vacation and you declined
Yes.
to accompany her?
No, she knew that she knew I was not going, and we have been planning this for like 3 months. She knew it, and our host knew that I was also not going because my vacation was already planned for the third quarter of 2021. So
Okay.
they knew about it, and we were all here. She went with the baby, and when she left, like I think in few hours, I think like 8 hours, and she sent me a text message and said we reached safely, everything is fine, we're okay. And I said okay. Then we even talked and all concerning utility bills and the celebration of the birthday of our kids. She sent me photos and all that. Yes,
And
so
Mr. Wanley, I have a question. Let me interrupt you. I'm sorry. When
Yes,
she
ma'am.
left for vacation in March, when did
Yes,
she
ma'am.
return to the home here in Texas?
She came here in August. She came here in August, but we were in contact. But she came here in August because I knew she was coming because she had a lucrative job. She's a good nurse. She got a good job here and everything. So I did not know that she was gonna leave. We have our home. We bought our house together. We jointly own a 4-bedroom home here that we bought in December of 2015, and we live together here, husband and wife. And it's not something like we just ordinary boyfriend and girlfriend. No, we live together. And
Okay.
I need.
So to
Yeah.
confirm, she left for vacation in March of 2021 and returned in August of 2021.
Yes, ma'am.
And have you all filed for a divorce?
No, ma'am.
And what happened in August of 2021?
So August of 2021, she came along with the baby. It came. She brought her luggage, and it came via Uber. And when it came, again, I welcomed them. I was home at the time, and I welcomed them. Everything. We were together, and
And when did she leave the home again since August of 2021?
the second day, I was about like to go to work, and I just saw her taking her things. I said, "Oh, but why are you putting your things together? What happened? Where are you going?" She just told me, looked me in the face, and said, "I'm done with this relationship. I'm going. I'm out. I'm going. I'm done with this relationship." Because
Okay.
she had her car was parked in the parking garage for the time they were on vacation. So she put all of what she could take without my permission. She took the little girl and it left. And I thought it was a joke, and I didn't even know they were going to Virginia either.
So,
I thought
Mr.
this was,
Wanley, when she left for vacation in March, you
yes, ma'am.
considered yourself still in a relationship and the father of your child and a husband during the months of April, May, June, July, and August. Is that correct?
Oh yes, ma'am. Oh yes, ma'am. Because we were even in communication. Because I was taking care of all of the necessary bills, the mortgage, utilities, and just name it. Because I was doing everything here and taking care of it.
And are
So
you in agreement to pay back support from the time she left your marital home in August until today?
yeah, for the period
And
between,
during the months
yes,
of August when she left, did you
yes,
provide
ma'am.
any direct support to her for the child?
Yes, ma'am. In fact, she's when she told me she was leaving. So what are we going to? She asked me a question. Said, "What are we going to do about this girl?" I said, "Oh, she's our daughter." And the way you're saying it is something astonishing. I didn't know such a decision you were going to take. So immediately on the 24th, I deposited money in after they left. I deposited 500 in the account for Abigail, the baby. So when I alerted her or when I notified her concerning the deposit I made in her account for Abigail, she closed the account down.
Mr.
In
Wanlu,
fact,
let me interrupt you there for a minute. Let's go through those dates. In August
yes,
of
ma'am.
2021, when she left you, how much money did you give her?
I deposited the 500 in the for Abigail. That 500
Okay.
I deposited it
In
for her.
In September of 2021, how much money did you give her?
The same August, because she did not want to do anything with me, she closed the account down and she did not even answer my call. I did not even know where she was. I did not even know she was in Virginia. I did not even know where. Yeah, I did
Okay,
not know.
so
Mhm.
you couldn't
Yeah.
send her money in September. In October, did you send her
Well,
any?
no, let's
Okay,
I'm not going to go through month by month. Have you sent her any money since she left besides the $500 that you deposited, sir?
Yes. Uh, yeah. Besides the 500, no, I did not
Yes,
know even where she was.
I
It was
know.
in
So
Texas.
you weren't able to send her any money, right?
No,
Okay.
she could not. No, sir.
All right.
No, Your Honor.
All right.
Yeah.
Court finds that the beginning month for retroactive child support will be August 2021, and father's given credit for $500. Uh,
okay.
Anything further?
Nothing further from the state.